Hey guys, Lightning. Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing for Black Friday. Today I am unboxing the Samsung 5 Series HWMM55C soundbar and subwoofer. Today is going to be so much fun, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so let's get straight into the box and just open it right up. Over here is going to be the first part of the box. You're going to want, how did they describe it on the box? You're going to want to do it like this. So basically, you are going to open, I read that wrong. Here's what you got to do. I did it completely wrong. And sure, I will mess something up if I don't. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put this guy on its side, and then you will get your scissors up there, or knife, or knife, or however you cut stuff. Pull each side open. I'm gonna do the other side now. So we have popped this guy open. We have two sides basically. So this side is going to be our soundbar. And get to the next unboxing. Oh, I hate plastic or styrofoam. It looks like I got it. Okay. Everything should be out of the box. That box is still insanely heavy. Alright, so that is our first unboxed thing. It kind of looks like a gaming PC to me, but oh boy. Can't explain it. This guy. Thank you for watching this video. That blew my ears out quite a bit, but I will do a detailed review about this guy. If you want to know some more information about this, I will link this down in the description. But otherwise, this is a great product. I love it so far, but we'll see if it changes and I don't like it. But for now, I am leaving this video on a high note because this sound is like theater sound. Like, it's really good. You might have not been able to hear it on there, but you could really hear the clarity in the bass and the treble and all this kind of stuff. You could just really hear it, and it just brought all the sound up. I had it in the surround sound mode, and I think that kind of helped, but otherwise, this thing, I don't know what else to say about it besides amazing. This remote is kind of incredible. So if you want to look at this remote here, see, you have you control it like this, all this kind of stuff. It's really cool. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Martin. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.